Swinburne University of Technology.
One of the characteristics of the engineering degree at Swinburne is that we do want to see you actually apply what you're learning.
Every second day at Swinburne you're doing something with your hands, working with electric boards or monitoring different mechanical systems. Mostly it's a hands-on course at Swinburne.
Probably 90% of the classes will have a lab component.
Combining a better understanding of the theory with the practical side allows you to be innovative in a way that really pushes forward practical technology.
Swinburne's always prided itself on having an engineering degree that is actually industrially relevant. That is, that we actually turn our students into engineers. We don't just teach them engineering science and hope that they somehow pick up the discipline and wisdom of being an engineer. We actually give them challenges that allow them to have those experiences that help develop that.
They'll put you on the path. They don't spoon feed you the answer, they actually make you learn and ask questions. If we take exactly what we learned here, we could apply it directly to a project in industry, and that'd be a huge advantage over someone else.
The practical experience gives you a great leg up in terms of employment prospects. I've applied to a few grad positions and gone for interviews, and they ask, do you have any experience on milling machines and welding and things like that? And so that puts you, a step ahead of other competitors for a job.
One of the major benefits for Swinburne students is the opportunity to do IBL.
IBL stands for industry-based learning.
Industry-based learning allows you to go into the industry for 6 months to a year during your degree. The benefits of doing IBL is it allows you to relate what you've learnt in class to the industry.
After doing it, I was a lot better organised, a lot better at presenting, a lot better at report writing, communication, all those, generic engineering skills. I improved on those significantly. And that's a real advantage when you're out there looking for a job to say, I have done this, I have got experience.
Looks really good on your resume, and a lot of people get jobs out of it.
We've got new buildings with new computers, everything constantly gets updated.
Whatever is in industry, we provide the next step, so that by the time our students finish in 2 or 3 years' time, they would be ready for industry.
You're going to get a chance to apply what you learn to something physical. You're going to work with other disciplines to see how other people approach problems. And at the end of it, we're going to do our best to make sure that you're not just a person with knowledge in your head, but you're a person who knows how to think like an engineer. You have the wisdom of an engineer, the discipline of an engineer, and you're going to continually become a better engineer throughout your career.
Swinburne's degree is very inspiring. The teachers are very linked with industry and very motivating. It's definitely a good place to learn and a good place to prepare yourself for the future.
This has been a Swinburne production.